Good day everyone, Ebose Evans is my name. This video is in directive of Nigeria Center for Disease Control, NCDC. Please, if you know you have come in contact with me recently, since on the 29th of April till now, I advise you to be self-isolated and please send your sample for test. I was not feeling any symptoms. I don't really have any symptoms. Even as we speak, I still don't have any symptoms. I decided to go for COVID-19 test on Saturday last week. So he collected my sample for test. I went home and I did as instructed. This morning I received a call from someone who identified himself as Osaretin Eyimiose. He said it was the guy that took my sample on Saturday. He said okay. He said the result is out. But before then it was like, hope you know that COVID-19 is not a death sentence. I said yes, I know that already. He was trying to give me some sensitization. Those I already know. I just told him this sensitization, I know them already. Just go ahead. Am I coming over to collect the result, or are you bringing it for me, or how do you want me to get the result? He said okay, I should stay indoor. I should stay where I am. That members of the NCDC are coming over. Guess the address I filled on the form is correct. I said yes, they are correct. But what are they coming to do? Can you tell me the result? He said he's not going to tell me the result on phone. That I should also inform my family members who has come in contact with me to stay at home. That once NCDC comes, they will take their sample also for test. Said okay, but let me just know the result so that I will know what to do. Said I should not be panicked that COVID-19 is not a death sentence. He keep hammering on that. I got angry and we got into a very serious argument. During the course of that serious argument, I heard a knock on my door, and when I opened the door, it was my younger sister who told me that the beans I have on gas is burning. That is when I know that it was all a dream. I was. I carried COVID-19 before.